Sorry about that, first graders, my video cut off. Let's go right back to where we were. The last time, or the last part of the video, I was asking you to find a caption, which are the words that go underneath a picture or next to a picture to help you understand the picture. So, well, only 2 of these have pictures, so it has to be one of these 2, right? Which one is pointing to the words that are explaining the picture? Hopefully you're yelling at the computer screen saying, this will help, this one. You'd be exactly right. See that picture? The words underneath that picture, I know it's hard to read, is explaining what's happening in that picture. So I'm going to go ahead and find caption, put a little glue there, and then take that picture and put it under caption. So now we have just 5 left. Okay, the next one I'm thinking that would be really easy for us to find is bold print. Bold print is when there is a bunch of different words on a page, and there are some words that are darker or bigger or stand out more than other words. See if you can find a picture that looks like that. Now, the reason we have bold print is so that those words stand out, because those words are important. Now, on this one, everything is bold. On this one, there are some, but there's a lot more writing too. On this one, I don't see anything bold, but on this one, if you see all that writing, the arrow is just pointing to a few bold words. So that's the one we're going to go with for bold print. This says bold print. Put some glue there. And we're going to glue the one with the arrow. Okay, 4 left. The next one I'm thinking, oh, a diagram. A diagram is used to explain something or the parts of something. It's kind of like that craft we made with the plant. You're labeling all these different pieces of something so that people understand it. The only one left of the picture is this. And if you see, it's hard to tell. This is an eyeball. All these different lines are pointing to different parts of the eyeball, and they're naming the different parts of the eyeball. So this is a diagram, or it might be a cell instead of an eyeball. Glue that down. We have 3 left: table of contents, index, and glossary. So for example, an easy peasy one that you're probably familiar with is table of contents. The table of contents tells you all about what's going to be in the book. So if you're reading a chapter book, the table of contents might say all of the different titles of all of the different chapters. Could you find a picture that looks like that? Hopefully you're yelling out this one. If you look really closely, it says chapter, 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 and it tells you the title of each chapter. So title 1, the fastest runners. Chapter 2, hunt, kill, survive. Chapter 3, animals beware. That's your table of contents. All right, we have 2 left. Now, the difference between index and glossary can be a little bit confusing, but I'm going to help you clear it up. Index gives you a list of words and where to find them in the book. So for example, if you're reading about sharks, you might look in the index and be looking for the word teeth, so that you know that whatever page number is next to the word teeth is where you can find the information in the book about sharks' teeth. Glossary gives you meanings or definitions of important words. So when I look at this one, see if you can find this one. Oops, that's kind of hard to read, isn't it? It also has page numbers. So it'll have a word like alligator, and then it'll say page 36 to 39. Now this is an index because it tells you where to find those words. So I'm going to glue this next to index, which means the only one left has to be a glossary. And if you look really closely, this one's really blurry for me. It didn't copy as well. This one gives you words and it tells you what those words mean, helps you understand the meaning of them. And you're going to glue that under glossary. All right, don't forget to put the cap on your glue. And you're all done with this paper. First grade, thank you so much for doing another afternoon job. I'm very proud of you for getting them all done. And I will see you on Monday. Bye.